You're watching North Alabama's news leader. This is News 19 at 10.
Well, thank you for joining us for News 19 at 10. I'm Lauren Layton.
Welcome in, everyone. I'm Greg Scrooge. As we get into the throes of cold and flu season, there's another illness that parents need to know about that could be a serious problem for their kids.
A Scottsboro High School student has a confirmed case of whooping cough. News 19's Peyton Newman has followed up with the school. And Peyton, how contagious is whooping cough, and should parents and students be concerned?
Well, Lauren, Greg, whooping cough is considered highly contagious, but is much more dangerous for babies, pregnant women, people with other chronic illnesses, or those who are unvaccinated, making students bringing this illness home more of a concern. The Scottsboro High School student is the one and only confirmed case within the school system. Whooping cough is a respiratory illness, mainly infecting the mouth, nose, and throat, and is spread through coughing. Symptoms can take up to 3 weeks to appear, but those who are infected can be highly contagious for the first 2 weeks. Vaccines are considered the primary defense against the infection.
Vaccination is key. Infant vaccination, childhood, adolescent, and then all of we adults should be getting our every 10-year vaccination against tetanus, diphtheria, and whooping cough.
In a statement released to families and faculty of Scottsboro City Schools, the school system is trying to ease the spread of the bacterial infection, asking parents to keep the kids at home for the first 5 days of an antibiotic treatment if whooping cough is suspected. Now, the school system did tell me that their nursing staff is fully equipped to handle this situation, saying they are aware of the symptoms to look out for. Greg.